My name is Macy and I studied English, Spanish and RE at Cardiff and Vale College. It's gone really, really well. And it was one of the best things I've ever done, really. College opened my eyes to how broad my horizons are, how many opportunities are available. I'm planning to study philosophy at uni. Maybe 2 years ago, I never ever would have thought I'd be doing a degree in philosophy. The college environment is one of the best parts about it. It's not something you can get in any sixth form. Everyone talks really freely. You can really just be yourself around other people, be yourself around teachers. There's just such an insane amount of diversity within the people. I've learned so much more about different cultures, different religions. So I've had that cultural education as well as my normal education, which is something that I'm really, really grateful for. While I was studying, I had the opportunity to be SE President, which is our student union in the college. And it's just a lovely place to just meet new people, put yourself out there. It helps bring you out of your shell a lot. When I first came to college, I was a little bit nervous. But now after 2 years, I talk to anyone. It's really taught me to be more confident in myself. It just sort of gears you up for the real world. A common misconception is that colleges are a lot less academic. I found the exact opposite. If you have the discipline and you have the motivation to come to college, your teachers will really, really push you and you get treated like a mature adult. So while I was first applying, I got appointed towards the Scholars Programme. The great thing about that is it lets you do 4 A-levels as well as an EPQ. A lot of the A-level lecturers here teach on higher education courses, so it's really bringing that unique style to A-levels of the content being available for everyone, but it's being taught at a university style. And so I think that's sort of geared me up for university better in a way. I've loved college, everything about it has just been so good. I don't want the 2 years to end at all.